During the first 9 months of this year, the Cooperative Bank grew its customer deposits by 53% to 117 billion shillings. This was following the expansion of its countrywide branch network from 54 branches to 86 branches during the previous financial year. Its retail presence was boosted through its involvement with the country's circle of movement and use of mobile banking, coupled with the increased emphasis on corporate and institutional banking services.
We had a special focus on customer growth. This has supported a very good growth in unfunded income streams in terms of fees and commissions. A lot of focus in corporate and trade finance, where we have really grown our portfolio in corporate banking.
As a result, the bank's revenue from fees and commissions, which constitutes 45% of its revenue so far, rose by 55% to 5.2 billion shillings. Cooperative Bank's net interest income, on the other hand, increased by 30% to 6.5 billion shillings during the first 9 months of this year. At the same time, its total assets increased by 43% to 141.3 billion shillings.
Currently, on basis of our asset base, I think we're the third largest bank in Kenya now on basis of asset book of the bank. It's a commendable performance.
The bank's stock brokerage arm, Kingdom Securities, made a turnaround during the period to post a pre-tax profit of 29 million shillings against a loss of 9.5 million shillings reported in September last year. Coop's one-year-old home loans product also boosted the bank's loan book by extending 900 million shillings worth of loans. But the bank's provision for bad debt increased by 7% to 600 million shillings.
To the end of the year, we expect even the fourth quarter performance to be much better out of the book that we have put together, the asset book we put together, and we project at least 5.5 billion by the end of this year.
The bank plans to set up its first outlet in that country early next year through a joint venture deal with the government of Southern Sudan. The deal, which will give the Southern Sudanese government a 30% stake in the new subsidiary, will be finalized amidst growing uncertainty over the country's political future. Southern Sudan is now on the verge of holding a referendum that could result in its separation from Northern Sudan next year. Emily Kimani, Eyewitness Business.